In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change age or birthday on TikTok Shop. To set expectations right away, TikTok tightly controls birthday changes for safety and compliance reasons, especially when it comes to TikTok Shop. I'll show you exactly where your date of birth lives in the app, how to verify what TikTok has on file, and what the on-screen message means when it says it can't be edited. Start by opening your TikTok account. Make sure you're signed into the same account that's connected to your TikTok Shop. If you manage more than one account, double-check the profile picture and username to confirm you're in the right place. A stable internet connection also helps the settings load correctly. From the home screen, tap Profile at the bottom right. This takes you to your profile page. Here's a quick tip. If you don't see the interface you expect, ensure your app is up to date, since settings, labels, and layout can change slightly with new versions or regional updates. Next, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines. This menu icon is sometimes called the hamburger menu. It opens your settings area where you can manage privacy, security, and your account details. Inside this menu, choose Account. This section contains the core information tied to your identity in the app, which is important for features like TikTok Shop that require age eligibility and trust and safety checks. Now tap User Information. In this screen, you'll see the key details TikTok uses to identify and verify your account. Among those details is your date of birth. You'll be able to view the date that TikTok has on file here. At this point, you'll notice a clear message indicating that the date of birth can't be edited. That's expected behavior. TikTok restricts birthday changes to protect minors, meet legal requirements, and keep commerce features like TikTok Shop compliant. Because your age can affect eligibility for selling, payments, and access to age-restricted categories, the platform locks this field to maintain accuracy and prevent misuse. If your screen language or layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Regional settings can affect the wording, but the path remains the same. Profile, the three horizontal lines, account, then user information. Remember, the goal here is to confirm what TikTok recognizes as your birthday and understand why it isn't editable in the app. To recap, open your TikTok account, go to Profile, tap the three horizontal lines, select Account, and then User Information. You'll see your date of birth displayed with an on-screen note that it can't be edited. Keeping this information accurate from the start helps ensure your TikTok Shop features function smoothly and in line with platform policies.